Hello guys, doing a little unboxing today. I ordered some mod box hookah boxes or hookahs from MobHookah. They just came in the mail. I'm gonna open them right now and show you guys what's going on. So guys, I just opened the box. I didn't want to deal with hiding my address and stuff like that, so I just opened it off camera. But we got a lot of packing peanuts or whatever these are. I ordered two, so let's see. I don't know if it's two in one box or I don't know. We'll see. Looks like there are different models, which I don't see the difference. They all have the light, they all have the tongs. I don't know what the difference is, but they marked that one for me. Okay, let's take it out. Yep, there's two in there. There's one in there, so I'm just gonna leave that there. Lots of peanuts. Kind of clear out the peanuts to see what's going on here. So we got the box. They have different colors. They didn't mark any of that, but somehow they marked this thing, which, like I said, I don't know what it means because they all look the same. But let's open it up and see what we got here. So first thing, we got some grommets, it looks like. We got a silicone bowl. It's a normal Egyptian looking bowl. It smells like plastic, but whatever. We got this. What is this? Oh, these are little legs for it, so it doesn't slip, but we got the LEDs going. That's pretty cool. We got a little silicone hose, another grommet. This is just plastic for the hookah hose. We got little cheap Chinese tongs. That's the port. What do we have here? It's probably the heat management. Yep, we got a little heat management device. It's kind of like the Cloud Lotus. So that's pretty cool. I didn't know it comes with all that. It comes with a lot of stuff. And star of the show here. Let's open it up. There is nothing else in there. Alright. So this is kind of the star of the show, guys. We got the branding right here. That's where the LED goes. And that's the purge valve, I believe, and that's where your hookah bowl goes. So let's open it up and check it out. Let's see, how am I gonna do this? Let's do it this way. It's made out of acrylic, so it's pretty durable. Won't break like glass. Right there. Hello, cat. And that's where your hose goes. And yeah, that's the purge valve, which I don't really know how it. Oh, it's just plastic, so it comes up. That's pretty cool. So this goes in here like that. And this kind of sits there. Kind of pressure fitted, but I'm assuming you gotta use the grommets. I'm not sure. Maybe the grommets are if you wanna. Nope, they don't fit in there. Yep. Do they fit in here? They don't fit there either, so I don't know what they're for. Maybe if I have no idea. Does this fit in there? Yeah. There we go. So that's where you put your shisha. And that's water goes in here as well. See, there's two chambers. So smoke goes on this chamber, and then water is in this chamber. So yeah, thank you for watching.